Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As usual, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Also, I'm going to check the sound now to make sure there is no background noise. So if you hear me twice, don't worry. Good morning. Okay, seems like there is no background noise today, which is nice. Good morning, Zazu. Yes, Zazu, it is going to be a nice week. Привет, Ирочка. We have a couple more minutes to wait until whoever can join live does so. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And in the past month, we have been exploring the practice of mindful self-compassion, learning very useful and practical tools to bring self-kindness into our lives. In the next few days, we will focus on how to apply self-compassion to our relationships. And it is a very important topic because relationships lie at the heart of everyone's emotional life, whether it's romantic relationships, friendship, work relationships, family ties, etc. We will learn how to use self-compassion to satisfy our unmet needs in relationships and combine self-compassion and equanimity to manage caregiving fatigue. We will explore some new techniques too: self-compassion break in relationships, compassion with equanimity, and compassionate friend practice. Today, let's focus on the compassionate friend meditation. The purpose of this practice is to help you discover a wise and compassionate presence within yourself. The compassionate friend can be a source of comfort, which is the yin side of self-compassion, or encourage us when we need to take action, which is the yang side of self-compassion. This is a visualization practice, but don't worry if you're not a good visualizer. As you know, I am not. So if no images arise for you during this meditation, it's completely fine. You can simply linger with any supporting feelings that might be present for you. And of course, if an image arises that causes distress, you're welcome to choose another image or disengage from the meditation completely and instead ask yourself, what do I need right now? And allow yourself to be nourished in some other way. So really practice kindness, always. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice what's present for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? You may want to gently close your eyes or keep them open. Allow your breath to be natural and easy. See if you can simply observe how your breath flows in and out of your body and how your body moves with the breath. You can put one or both hands over your heart or another soothing place on your body as a reminder to give yourself loving attention. Now imagine yourself in a place that is safe and comfortable, as comfortable as possible. It might be a cozy room with a fireplace, or a peaceful beach with a warm sun and a cool breeze, a forest glade. It can also be an imaginary place, like floating on clouds. Really, anywhere you feel peaceful and safe. Your happy place. Let yourself enjoy being in this place. And now imagine that you're receiving a visitor, a warm and compassionate presence, a compassionate friend who embodies the qualities of wisdom, strength, and unconditional love. This being may be a spiritual figure, a wise and compassionate teacher, or a person from your past, like a loving grandparent. Or perhaps the being doesn't have any particular form, more like light or a warm presence. Whatever it is for you, feel into it or see it if you can visualize. This compassionate friend cares deeply about you and would like you to be happy and free from unnecessary struggle. You have a choice to go out from your safe place and meet your compassionate friend outside, or invite them in. Place yourself in just the right position in relation to your compassionate friend. You may need to have some respectful distance, or you may be very, very close. Whatever feels right, whatever feels safe. Imagine your compassionate friend in as much detail as possible, especially allowing yourself to feel what it's like to be in this friend's presence. There is nothing you need to do except experience this moment directly. Your compassionate friend is wise and all-knowing and understands exactly where you are in your life journey. Your friend might want to tell you something that is just what you need to hear right now. So please take a moment to listen carefully to what your compassionate friend might have to say. And if no words come, that's okay too. Just continue to experience the good company. That's a blessing in itself. And perhaps you would like to say something to your compassionate friend. Your friend listens deeply and completely understands you. So, is there anything you would like to share with them? Your friend may also like to leave you with a gift, a material object, and this object might simply appear in your hands, or you can put out your hands and receive it. Something that has special meaning for you. If something appears, what is it? Take a few more moments to enjoy your friend's presence. And as you continue to enjoy this good company, allow yourself to realize that this friend is actually a part of yourself. All the compassionate feelings, images, and words that you're experiencing flow from your own inner wisdom and compassion. And finally, allow the images to dissolve gradually in your mind's eye, remembering that compassion and wisdom are always within you, especially when you need them the most. It's just a matter of remembering to tap into this wisdom. You can call on your compassionate friend at any time you wish. Now start settling back into your body and let yourself savor what just happened. Perhaps reflecting on the words you may have heard or the object that you may have received. When you feel ready, slowly let go of this meditation and allow yourself to feel whatever it is you feel right now, to be exactly as you are. This moment is enough. You are enough. Scan your body once again and notice how you're feeling now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Has anything changed? If it didn't, no worries. You're just paying attention. Results are not that important. And as you go through your day today, I invite you to call on your compassionate friend, this wise and all-knowing part of you, whenever you notice that you are suffering in some way and need a warm embrace or a word of reassurance. Enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.